When people think about ICT, they often think that it's just about learning computers. But here at Karni Kripa, it's about so much more.
Our ICT curriculum is designed to make us creators, not the users of technology. From day one, we are encouraged to think critically and solve problems and use technology responsibly.
We start coding as early as grade 1. At first, it's just fun, playful coding, and then it grows into the real-world applications such as app development, robotics, and artificial engineering.
We even learn 3D design and printing, which help us turn ideas into real objects. It's about design, thinking, innovation, and teamwork.
Computing, we connect code to the real world, building things like automatic plant, watering system, and interactive display.
And through it all, we are also taught digital citizenship, how to be safe, respectful, and ethical online, because being responsible is just as important as being skilled.
Here at Karni Kripa, ICT is not just about technology, it's about creativity, innovation, and preparing us for the future.